Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, you and I are going to keep working on solving problems that have dollar bills in them. Let's go watch our visual learning video to get us warmed up.
Chloe has a $20 bill and a $1 bill. Her sister Violet has $6 less than Chloe has. Do the two sisters have enough money to buy a $35 scarf for their mother? You know that the price of the scarf is $35. What else do you know that could help you solve this problem? You know that Chloe has a $20 bill and a $1 bill. And you know that Violet has $6 less than Chloe has. You can show how much money Chloe has with a $20 bill and a $1 bill. What is another way you can make $21 using other kinds of bills?
We could use smaller bills, so we could use $5 bills and we could use 4 of them, and that would get $20. And then we could use another dollar bill, so that'd be $21. Or we could use $10 bills and we'd have 2 of them to make $20 and another $1 bill, and that would be $21. Or we could even do 21 $1 bills. There's lots of ways.
One way you can make $21 with bills is $10, $10, and $1. Another way is $5, $5, $5, $5, and $1. You can find out how much money Violet has by subtracting $21 minus $6. Why do you need to subtract $6 from $21?
That's how we're going to find out how much money Violet actually has, because Chloe is the one with $21. Violet has $6 less.
You know that Chloe has $21, and the problem tells you that Violet has $6 less than Chloe has. $21 minus $6 is equal to $15.
Let's try it out. Drag the dollar bills to show 3 different ways Violet could have $15. Okay, so the first way I'm going to do this is making the biggest bills I can. So I can't use a 20, that's too much, but I could do $10. And then I can't do another $10 bill because that would be too much, but I could do a $5 bill. And $10 plus $5 equals $15. And then another way, I could do 3 $5 bills because I know that 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. And another way I can get my bills even smaller, I could do a $10 bill and then I could do 5 $1 bills. And there's even more ways that I could show $15 too, but these are just 3 of the ways that I know how I could show $15.
You know that Violet could have a $10 bill and a $5 bill. Which operation should you use to find out if Chloe and Violet have enough money to buy the scarf for their mother?
Select your answer.
We need to do addition because they're going to be putting their money together to see if they have enough. So we're going to add Chloe's money and add it to Violet's money to find out if they have $35 or more.
You should use addition to find out if Chloe and Violet have enough money to buy that scarf for their mother. $21 plus $15 equals $36. $36 is enough to buy a $35 scarf. Now you know how to solve problems using different types of dollar bills: $1 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, $20 bills.
Solving problems is fun.
Okay, let's go hop in our workbooks and do our guided practice problem together. Okay, we have 2 guided practice problems. We are on page 462 in our workbooks. So if you need to pause me to go get your workbook and turn to page 462, go ahead and pause me now. And then once you're ready, let's do these 2 problems. It says, solve each problem any way you choose, show your work. Very important, show our work. Sam had some money, whenever they say some, we don't know how much, in his wallet. He had some money in his wallet. He went to the carnival and spent $12. Now I'm going to ask you, friends, $12, if you spend it, are you adding or subtracting it? subtracting. So I'm going to put minus next to that. And actually for the sum, I'm going to put a question mark. Whenever I see the word sum, I like to put a question mark next to it because it helps me later on when I'm writing equations. I know that's my unknown number. So he had some money in his wallet. He went to the carnival and spent $12. Now Sam has $5. So I know that's one of my totals. How much was in his wallet before the carnival? So let's write out an equation. This is exactly why I wrote what I did next to my numbers. I'm going to take the total that he started with minus the $12 that he spent, and I know that that equals $5 left. So we need to figure out how we can find how much money he had when he first got to the carnival. So one way we could do it, we can take our $5 that's left and add it to the $12 he spent, and that'll tell us what he started with. So my new equation is going to be $12 plus $5. And then let's think, what is 12 plus 5? 17, right? So he had $17 when he started. That is our answer. He starts with $17. He spent 12 of it, which means he only had 5 left. Let's look at number 2. Morgan has $7. Her grandmother gives her a $10 bill and a $5 bill. How much money does Morgan have now? This is a pretty easy addition problem because we're getting a number to start with. We're adding on 2 more numbers and we're going to find the total amount of money that Morgan has. So I'm going to say we start with $7. Make sure you don't forget your dollar signs. And then we know that she gets a $10 bill and a $5 bill. So let's see, then she gets a $10 bill. So I'm going to add 10. And I'm going to keep 10 and 5 separate instead of putting them together just because they're easier numbers to work with. It's easier to do 7 plus 10 plus 5 than it is to do 7 plus 15, at least in my book. So let's see, 7 plus $10. What does that equal? What's her new total? $17. And then $17 plus 5 more. How much money does she have total? $17 plus 5 more. What's 17 plus 5, friends? 22. So her total that she has now is $22. I'm gonna go ahead and write that down there too. Okay, we're gonna go watch one more quick video.
So I have a $10 bill and a $1 bill. My friend Valerie has $6. Do we have enough money to buy a $12 book from the bookstore? Well, if I have a $10 bill and a $1 bill, that's a total of $11. Valerie has $6. To find out if we have enough to buy the book, we need to add our money. $11 plus $6 equals $17. Great! $17 is more than enough money to buy a $12 book. That means we can go to the store and buy it. See you later!
It was nice and quick. Let's go do a couple more practice problems. Okay, I'm going to turn my page and we're going to do number 3 together. So let's look at number 3. It says Mia has $2. Ethan gives her 2 $5 bills. Noah gives her 1 $10 bill. How much money does Mia have in all? So do you guys remember back when we were doing just addition and we learned have in all was like our magic words? That means we're adding things up. So we are going to be doing addition. So we need to start with what she starts with first, right? So first she has $2. So $2 plus, because we're adding. But then Ethan gives her 2 $5 bills. What is $5 plus $5? $10. So Ethan gives her $10. So I'm going to glue those together and just add $10 all together at one time instead of doing 2 plus 5 plus 5. And $2 plus $10 would be $12. So that's what Ethan gave her. Now she has $12, but Noah's going to give her some more money. So let's see, she has $12 and Noah gives her 1 $10 bill. So we're just going to add $10. So 12 plus 10 more dollars, what would that equal, friends? 12 plus 10 would be $22. So she has $22 in all now. Nicely done. You guys are going to do number 4 all by yourself. Let me read it to you first. A sweater costs $38. Charlie has 1 $20 bill. one $10 bill, and two $1 bills. How much more money does he need to buy the sweater? So find your total for the amount that Charlie has first, see if he has enough, and if he doesn't, tell me how many more dollars does he need to buy that sweater. Take your time, come back to me when you're all done. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna add up my bills kind of in my head. Ready? Check it out. I know I have $20 plus $10 plus $2 because there's two $1 bills. And I know 20 plus 10 equals 30, plus two more would be $32. So I know that Charlie has $32. Now, if he wants to buy a sweater that costs $38, I need to figure out how many more dollars does he need. So I'm going to count up. I'm going to start at 32 and count up until I get to 38 and see how many more dollars I need to have to buy that sweater. So 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. He needs $6 more. An easy way to also solve that, you can set that up as a subtraction problem. So you can do $38 that he needs for the sweater minus the $32 that he has. 8 minus 2 equals 6, and 3 tens minus 3 tens is 0. So he would need $6 more. Easy peasy. Let's go down here and do number 6 together. It says Jen bought 3 $5 raffle tickets and 8 $1 raffle tickets. How much did Jen spend on raffle tickets? So we need to figure out the total amount of money that she spent on those tickets. So we need to figure out how much she spent altogether. So I'm going to add it up. So she bought 3 $5 raffle tickets. So $5 plus $5 plus $5. And let's see, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals what? $15. And then she bought 8 $1 raffle tickets. Well, that would just be $8. So I need to add my $15 plus 8 more to find how much she spent. What is $15 plus 8 more dollars? I know 8 is the same as 5 and 3, and 15 plus 5 is 20, plus 3 more would be 23. So in all, she spent $23. I guess what you guys, we pretty much already explained how we solved the problem because I showed my work down here. I showed the 3 $5 raffle tickets being added up, and then I showed the 8 $1 raffle tickets being added, and my total was $23. So if you show your work well, that can kind of count as your explanation. So she spent $23 in all on raffle tickets. Let's turn the page. You're going to do one more problem for me. You're going to do number 7. Let's read it though. Lily has 2 $10 bills and 3 $5 bills and 1 $1 bill. She gives Grace $11. How much money does Lily have left? There are going to be 2 steps to this problem. First, figure out how much money Lily has, and then figure out if she gives Grace $11, what will she have left? Take your time, pause me, and come back when you're all done. Okay, so first I need to figure out how much money does Lily have. I'm going to take my 2 $10 bills. So that would be 10 plus 10 would be $20. And then she has 3 $5 bills, and 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So my 2 $10 bills and my 3 $5 bills, that would be $20 plus $15. And then she just has $1 more. So I'm going to add that up all together. So let's see. I know that 20 plus 15 is 35 because 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 5 more would be 35. And then 1 more would be $36. So she has $36. But then she gives Grace $11. So now I have a subtraction problem. I have $36 minus the $11 that she gives to Grace. Well, I know $6 minus 1 would be $5. And 3 tens minus 1 would be 2. So that means that she has $25 left. That is how much money Lily has left. Not too bad. You just have to take your time and break it into the steps. Nicely done, you guys. You're doing a great job with your money. I'm really proud of you guys. Let's look at your homework for today. Okay, here is your homework for today. You're going to go back into the workbook to page 463, which is where we just were. You're going to do numbers 5, 8, 9, and 10 to get some more practice, and then go ahead and do your quick check. And then after that, you can spend some time on Math Facts Pro, or if you're in my class, you're going to do 20 minutes of iReady Math. I will see you guys back here again tomorrow. See you then, friends.